Let's do an example for our box plots. To make a box plot, I need to start by making a 5-number summary. So to make my 5-number summary, I need to start by putting my numbers in order. The most common mistake in finding the median is not putting the numbers in order. If I looked here, I would say, oh, the median's 8, but my numbers aren't in order, so that could be incorrect. Let us start with ordering the numbers from least to greatest. Now I'm going to count my numbers to make sure that I haven't missed any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Counting also helps me to find the middle. I know that if I have 10 numbers, the middle is going to be right here. So I'm going to need my minimum, my first quarter, my median, which is also my second quarter, and my third quarter, and my maximum. So I found my median. It's going to be 7 because halfway between two 7s is a 7. When I divide this group in half, I'm going to get a 5 for my first quarter. My minimum is my smallest number, so that's 2. My third quarter, halfway in the second group, that is going to be 12, and my maximum is my largest number, so that's going to be 20. To make my box plot, I want to start by drawing my number line. I have loads of space here, so I'm going to put it halfway up. And I do want to be using my grid. So there's my number line. I need to decide on my spacing. I need to go from 2 to 20. My range, that's going to tell me how much space I need, is 20 minus 2 is 18. I do not have enough space to go by 2s, but I don't need to crowd my numbers in either. I'm going to start here with 2. I'm not going to write in my 3. Just going to check that I haven't made any mistakes. Everything is evenly spaced. My odd numbers are not drawn in, but there is a space for each of them, and exactly 1 space, so I have my number line all set up. Now I'm going to draw my box plot. My minimum is 2, so my first line needs to be right here at the 2. My first quarter is 5. My median is 7. And line up right on the 7. My third quarter is 12. And my maximum is 20. Let's close up my box, which remember goes from the first quarter to the third quarter. So it's going to be my middle 3 here. I have drawn my box plot. Let's just add some labels so that we remember where everything is. Here is our minimum. Here is our first quarter. Here's our median. Here is our third quarter. And here is our maximum. Also, some quick names. We're going to call this a whisker, and this whole shape a box. So there we have our box plots. We put our numbers in order, we find our 5-number summary, and we graph it as a box plot with a number line so that we know where all of our values are.